Hi, if you no longer need eBay online shopping app and you want to permanently uninstall it or remove it from your smartphone, then in this video I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process to uninstall eBay. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now in the first method, you just need to open your smartphone and go to Google Play Store and find your app. So my app is here. So to uninstall it, just long press on it and you should see we have this option to uninstall it. By tapping on uninstall, this will remove your app. However, if you can't see this option, then you need to look for this Google Play Store app or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store and search for your app by name, just like that. And if I run the search, you can see we have our eBay app here. It is already installed, that's why we have this option to open. But just first here, you can see on the left, we have this option to uninstall. By tapping on uninstall, this will remove the app from our smartphone together with its files. So if I go now back to my apps, now you can see I no longer have eBay shopping app here. So that's how you can uninstall eBay shopping app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.